came all the way from Northern Ireland to London to attend Professor Purveer's course on the sinus lift and management of complications. And it was fantastic. It was like as if it was a one-to-one hands-on course. And I went back and I started off doing sinus lifts.
Specifically, this course has put things into perspective for me a lot more clearer. Dr. Parvini is an excellent lecturer.
And the greatest thing is, Purveer is still available on the phone if I have any doubts, and he responds greatly. He's like a mentor.
I always wanted to join a course that would address my weakness in sinus leaf bone augmentation, and there were a lot of courses out there, but I was not comfortable with going for one because I wasn't sure. I've already done my research about doing the course with Professor Purveer and went really well. I've learned a lot.
I highly recommend this course to anybody who wants to improve on their sinus lift. I'm very grateful to attend this course.